Ito ngayon, pare, Amazing Race Asia Season 4 winners, Richard Herdin and Rich Herrera. Ano ito?
Mga Joseph Pure ito. Richard.
Very honored, very honored.
Okay.
Very honored.
Tignan natin kung sino. Marunong ba kayo mag-Tagalog?
Konti-konti, very honored.
Konti-konti?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Medyo lang.
Medyo. Pwede na yun. Okay na.
Medyo,
Okay.
medyo.
Tigatanong, si Rich. Rich, baka sa left side.
Isa na lang
Richard,
natin.
sa kanan. Ikaw ang tagasagot.
Number 3. Ako.
Okay.
Wala, isa na lang.
Okay, number 3. At narito, ang inyong darukan. Si Boy 79. Anjo. Alright, Lilian. Lilian, Ruy. 50,000. Pakita mo.
Pinapakain na lang ito.
Wala. Pakita mo yung pick. Yan. Go! Hira! Okay. Okay, Richard. Are you ready?
Ready.
Oo, hindi. Pwede. Alright.
Ready.
Rich? You okay? Okay, 2 minutes. Ready? Go.
Person.
The person.
Philippines. Hindi. US. Famous.
Country.
Athlete. Hindi. Politics. Movie star. Hindi. Talk show. Hindi. President. Hindi. Model. Actor. Pwede. Model. Actor. Actress. Boy. Hindi. Girl. Actress. Pwede. Famous. The artista. Is she white? Filipina. Mexican. Is it African American? Beyonce. Oprah. Halle Berry. Come on, Red. Actress. Actress. Singer. Not Beyonce. Mariah Carey. 10 seconds. Rihanna. Dumating lang si Alan G. Nakasagot na. Hey, Alan! You're a lucky charm! Go, Jillian! I know, right?
Okay. Meron yung 15,000 at tuloy na tayo sa jackpot round, okay? Richard and Rich, tigli naman kayong salita. Tig pa 5. Okay? Pwede mag-pass anytime. At kapag nakakuha kayo ng 3 tama, jackpot prize na 50,000 pesos. Ang ating category ay pagkain. Okay, Rich, pagkain. Okay? Alright. Richard, ikaw mauna, ha? Okay, we will give you 3 minutes. Timer starts now. Go, Richard. Ikaw.
English Tagalog.
Isa tanong.
English. Hindi. Tagalog. Person. Hindi. Food.
Pagkain. Food.
Fruit.
Fruit.
Orange. Hindi. Apple.
Ano ba?
What was that?
Chicken.
Mango.
Akala ko tingin pa eh. Okay, go, Rick.
Is it English?
English.
Is it a fruit?
Yeah.
Orange. Apple.
Apple! Apple. One more. Okay, Richard. Matthew.
Okay.
What?
Okay. Fruit, vegetable.
Yes.
Fruit.
Oh, vegetable na, vegetable.
Vegetable. Vegetable. Vegetable.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Green bean. Corn. Carrot.
Hindi.
Wala na ta.
Hindi. Pass.
Okay.
English. Is it English?
English.
Is it a fruit?
Fruit.
Is it a fruit?
No.
Is it a vegetable? Vegetable. Is it green?
In there.
Is it yellow?
In there.
Is it orange?
Carrot. Carrot. Hindi ko naintindihan, carrot. Bilang carrot eh. Okay. You get the jackpot prize of 50,000 for a total of 65,000 pesos.
At meron din kayo gift set from Melman, the Glow Fat Powder and Glow Cream Powder. Gift certificate from Studio Holiday Ham. Ayan o. Ang 30,000 ay ibibigay natin sa ating mga e-best scholars. At ang yung 35 ay hahatiin natin sa studio audience. Yun. Ayan o. Sabi kayo.
Okay, lima. Lima, tigpa 5,000.
Thank you, Richard and Rich.
Lahat ng numero,